Catch a yawn lately? Ever pondered why it feels so contagious? The answer lies in the fascinating world of neuroscience. Yawning, as it turns out, might be your brain's way of cooling down. When your brain is overheated, a good yawn can help bring it back to optimal temperature. This in turn helps you stay alert and focused. But what about catching yawns? It's a phenomenon known as contagious yawning, and scientists believe it's tied to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone else yawn, our brains respond in kind as a way of mirroring their state, showing our connection and understanding. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's your brain just keeping cool and showing some empathy. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and remember, there's always more to learn in the captivating world of neuroscience. Loop back for more such interesting nuggets of wisdom.